Happy New Year, everyone. It's Tim with Bevan Farm here. We just got back from vacation today. And if you're like me and you have kids, they are begging me to start building some of their Christmas presents because we left basically right after Christmas and some of the stuff didn't get done yet. So what I'm building today is a rebounder for volleyball, soccer, things like that with like big inflated balls. All right, so I'm gonna start taking these pieces out. Let's zoom out a little bit here. Got this piece right here. I'm just gonna put it all right in front so we can see what we have. Okay, this is pretty obviously the net. I'll move this to the side here. I don't want to stand right in front of the camera. Got some bolts. These are like little clips. Okay. These are little retainers. They're little balls with like elastic on them. There's two on each side. That's how you can tighten the net. Instruction sheet. We'll get to that in a minute. And it looks like we have bags of parts that are labeled. These say B on them. I'll put those together. Let's see, these are G, and this is D. I'm trying to keep everything in order. C, more C, more D. What are these guys? These are A's. Put A right there. This is also A. We have C, I believe that was right here, yep. More C, more C. Okay, so these are different. And we have some little stakes. And that is so you can stake this thing down into the ground. I'm gonna have mine in here in the shop, and what I'm gonna use is some weights to hold it down. All right, let me get to the instructions and then we'll start assembling. Well, here are the instructions. As you see, I'm just going to take the pieces that are labeled as such on here, A, B, A, C, D, D, C, B, A, down there along the bottom. And then I'll do the back side of the rebounder there. You can see it's like G, C, 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 A, B, A, C, 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 G. So I'm just going to lay those out real quick, make sure I have everything, and then we'll start putting them together. All right, I started with the back side of the rebounder first. And so I'm just going to put together this piece to that one, and then it's just going to continue up. And those are going to fit into here and here. Nothing goes across to the top because that's going to mount to these pieces right here, and they're going to have a little bracket. Here is the backside all assembled, and so now I'm just going to take the rest of these, and according to the layout we have right here, put it all together, and then we'll get ready to attach the two different pieces. All right, as you can see, the side that the ball actually rebounds off is a lot bigger than the back side. So you can see that. So I've got these all laid out according to the diagram on the instructions. So now I'm just gonna attach them, and then we'll have our two separate pieces. So when you are assembling this, you'll find that the pieces that are labeled D, which are the two middle pieces on the big side, on each of these sides right here, they don't have the little push button. Let's see if I can show you one. Yeah, those right there, they don't have those. And that is because you have stuff over here that's gonna attach and go through the pre-drilled holes that are in the poles. So for this next step, I'm gonna be putting together the two pieces, the one large piece and then the back side of the backstop. So I'm gonna be using these longer bolts with these wing nuts, and then the shorter bolts with the wing nuts. The longer nuts or bolts, I'm sorry, are gonna go up top where the, let's see here, let me show you. They're gonna go where this meets the side of this. And then the shorter ones are gonna go where the little bracket goes through this and then connects to the other side. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna stand these both up, and then right here at the top, there's a hole right there in the side. It is going to line up with the hole that's in this one right here, and that's where the bolt's gonna go through it. All right, I got those pieces together. Had to stand it up so I could do it. As you see right here, got the bolt with the wing nut going through. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add these brackets right here. I'm gonna just drop one of those. There's the hole right here, and it's gonna match up with this hole right there. I'm sorry for being too low. And then this little hook is gonna go to a piece that's right here. And that way you can adjust what angle you want this to sit at. So it's just gonna sit on there like that. So pretty simple. I'm gonna do that real quick. I got the two little brackets installed on the side. So basically, the further you go on these, the more angle you're gonna have for the rebounder. Some of them, you know, like with soccer, you might wanna just kick it against a more straight wall. Or if you're juggling or something, maybe not quite as angled. But volleyball, if you're serving or something, maybe you wanna hit it to where it's at an angle like that and it'll bounce back in the same angle to you. So I got this one on the second to last setting, and that's really just so I can set this thing up. But what I'm gonna do now is move on to the net. And actually, I'll do the little feet real quick. Let me show you what these look like. Give me just a second here. So I've got these feet. They're gonna go on the front side and the back side of the bars, just kind of evenly spaced, you know, like here. It's just to keep it from skidding around on the floor. Well, this might be the most tedious part, and that is putting the net on the frame there. It's got a red target square. And so basically I'm just gonna stretch it out, hold it up here, and then I will use a few of these little clip thingies to hold it, and then I'll go around and add it where I need them. This is what I have so far, and so I just need to keep going along the sides here, and oop, there, I can't reach it. Just pulling it tight and doing the little ball clip things to get it all stretched out and bring it all the way down to there. So let me get at that real quick, and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, here she is, all done. So I got a volleyball right here. Why don't we test this thing out and see how it works? Perfect. Throwing the ball right back to me. So I think my kids are really gonna love this. It's gonna help them with their accuracy and their placement, touches for soccer, all that. So pretty excited. Anyway, you guys have a happy new year. Thanks for watching.